Hello students, welcome on my YouTube channel Physics by Pradeep Kumar. Now today we will start a new unit of your syllabus, which is force and law of motions. Okay, force and law of motions. Law of motions, which is very interesting, and it is the base of the mechanics of the physics for the motion of a particle. In previous section we have studied about the kinematics of a particle. And kinematics means motion without study of the motion without knowing the cause of motion. And in that section we will discuss about the dynamics in which we have the information about the cause of the motions. First of all, we define here what do you mean by force. Okay, what do you mean by force? Okay, and force is nothing but it's a very important term for daily life, because everything is possible in daily life by this term. And force is nothing but it's a push or pull. इट्स अ पुश और पुल, किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को खींचना या धक्का देना क्या है आपका, एक फोर्स है. दैट मीन्स यदि आपको किसी ऑब्जेक्ट के कॉन्फ़िगरेशन में या उसकी पोजीशन में किसी टाइप की कोई चेंजिंग करनी है या चेंजिंग करने का आप प्रयास कर रहे हैं, वो आपको जिस फिज़िकल क्वांटिटी की हेल्प से आप कर सकते हैं, पॉसिबल हो सकता है, वो आपकी क्या कहलाती है, फोर्स. So that means we can define force is like that. Force is defined as a push or pull. Okay. And we can further classify the forces in two types on the basis of contact and non-contact, because you know very well, if you change and push or pull any object, then you have two choices. With contact you can pull or push any object, and without contact you can pull or push off any objects. For example, if you want to move this object from ground level to roof of a room, then you have a contact of this type of force. But if you have a iron piece and a magnet, then the iron piece can move without any contact of the magnet, because magnet attracts and pull the iron piece in our side. Okay, अपनी ओर क्या करती है, खींचती है. तो that means forces are of two types. Forces on the basis of, we can say that here, on the basis of contact, we can classified the forces in two types. First type is nothing but contact forces. And second kind is non-contact forces. okay, and the force is denoted by, it is denoted by capital F, which is very famous symbol, okay, and very famous physical quantity, okay, which introduced very interesting way by Newton's. Okay, now we will define here contact force. Suppose here we have an object and there is a string connected here, or another object here, or another object here, or suppose here is string, okay, and a person pull this in this side, okay, like that. Clear? Now we can define if any two bodies or objects, any two objects are in contact, then the force acting by any one object on the other object is known as contact forces. Motion due to force, okay. And now second thing is non-contact forces. Non-contact forces is nothing but when two objects are in contact, then the force acting by one object to the another object without any contact. If any two objects are not in contact, then the force acting by